Hey guys, Mao here for Unbox Everything, and that is right, today we've got a really great unboxing. This is Happy Meal toys for July of 2019, and this one is, ooh, it's a really good one. This one, okay, I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let's just get right into it. Inside here, we've got Teen Titans. These are Teen Titan toys, and there are, let's just, so I've got 5 of them. There are 8 to collect, but these are the 5 that are figures. So I think that these are the ones that are gonna sell the most, that people are really gonna want. There's other ones like a bat launcher for Robin and some other stuff, but I think that these ones are the ones that everyone's gonna want to pick up. So we're gonna be taking a close look at these, opening them up, reviewing them, and letting you know if you should pick up any of these or all of these. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the unboxing right now. Let's start off with Robin. So here is Robin. Take a close look. That looks really, really nice. Really cute. Again, this is Teen Titans Go, so it's the latest cartoon series. So you put this on his head like that, and then wind it. Am I doing that right? Ooh, okay. So you put it in like that, wind it. There. Okay, so that's wound all the way up, and then it's gonna shoot out. So let's just, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Where did that go? Oh, there it is. So that is Robin. He comes with this and he launches it. Pretty cool. Alright, that's Robin. Let's get the next one. Next one we've got, who is this? This is Starfire. Starfire. Alright. So there's Starfire. Really nice sculpt. Her hands look kind of weird. They're stuck together, so she's like that. She comes with this energy blast, and then you can load it up here in her hands. There we go. And I'm guessing you just push this button and it's gonna shoot out. She also comes with this cardboard baddie, so you can fold it like this, have that stand up, and then comes with on the other side as well. So you can just kind of fold that, set it up on a table, and then you're gonna shoot this out. So why don't we try it a little bit? So let's just say that the baddies are here, and we're gonna shoot, and let's see, 3, 2, 1, boom! I completely missed, but that's okay. You're able to see that, you know, it launches pretty far, so that's fun. You know, set it up, shoot down the targets, really cool. That's Starfire. Next one is Cyborg. This is Cyborg. So Cyborg comes like this with his head detached. Whoa. Yeah, this toy's head is off. So I'm guessing we're gonna put this together like that. Okay, cool. Now, I'm guessing we press this button and his head should shoot up high. But before I press it, just take a look at that. Really cute. Again, it's a really nice sculpt, good mold, and the plastic is also good quality. It's not very soft, but it doesn't feel fragile as well. So let's try out, I just noticed he's so happy. Such a happy Cyborg. Okay, so now let's try it. We're gonna press it and see just how high his head shoots. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Try it one more. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh! That's fun. I don't know why it's so fun, but it's really fun just shooting Cyborg's head into the sky. So pretty cool, Cyborg. Next up, we've got Raven. Alright, so this is Raven. Raven is a plushie, like a soft doll. Yeah. And the cape, like that, and comes with this. A plastic cone, which I feel like is supposed to be her body. So you put this on like that. There, just like that. Okay, that's kind of weird. The gimmick of this toy is that you're supposed to get it, take it off the body, and then, oops. So now she's just sort of floating, and what you're supposed to do is toss her back and forth between 2 people and just play catch with her. And see, that's what it says, just pass her back and forth and play catch, I guess. So, alright, but Anyway, it's a really nice toy of Raven. This one looks pretty cool, so yeah. And finally, we've got Beast Boy. Beast Boy, probably my favorite character in Teen Titans, although I've never watched Teen Titans Go yet, but the original Teen Titans cartoon, the better one, Beast Boy is always my favorite. And here he is up close. Something weird about his mouth, but that's part of the gimmick. And he's got this pose, I don't know what that pose is, and then a button at the back. So Beast Boy comes with these cards. There's a T-Rex on one side and Beast Boy on the other side, loaded in his mouth just like that. And then he also comes with target stands of the bad guys, so you're gonna just you know, same like with the Starfire toy, set them up, and then we're gonna shoot these out with the button at the back. So let's just try it. Oopsie, I dropped one. We got more cards, so we'll try another one here. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it actually shoots pretty far. So he comes with 4. We can shoot another one. Let's try. 3, 2, 1. Hey! Last one. Let's shoot one more. See how far it goes. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Alright, so a quick look at the card discs that shoot out of his mouth. It's got a T-Rex, a whale, an octopus, and a gorilla, and on the other side are different poses of Beast Boy. The villains that he comes with are these two. I'm not quite sure who they are or their names, but maybe some of you know. These are the Teen Titan Happy Meal toys. Again, they're really good quality. The plastic's really good quality, and the paint and the design and the size that they are pretty big, which makes them really worth it to pick up. They're not just cheap, small toys. These ones actually feel like they're worth the money you're paying for. So if you're a big Teen Titans fan, you might really enjoy these. Again, there are 8 to collect, but I feel like these are the 5 that everyone's gonna wanna pick up. So hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful to help you know if you wanna pick up these, any of these, or all of these. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up below. It really does help my video, and also share this video with someone who might be interested in Teen Titans Happy Meal toys just like these. Maybe they're a Teen Titans fan, who knows. But also, if you're new to this channel, I do a lot of unboxings and reviews every month of Happy Meal toys and other fast food toys, so if you want to see more of that, consider subscribing. Now if you want to check out last month's Happy Meal unboxing, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything.